everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 part 2 which is a goodbye party for Miss Pushpa. In this chapter we are going to discuss question and answers. Okay, so let's begin. It is a comprehension part. Question 1. What has the party been arranged for? The party has been arranged for the farewell of Miss Pushpa, who is going to a foreign country. Miss Pushpa, sister of poet, going to a foreign country, whose wife cooked nicely. The wife of the poet's uncle cooked nicely. Okay, why has Surat been mentioned in the poem? Surat has been mentioned in the poem because the poet is confused about the place Pushpa's father belonged to. Okay, uh, answer in about 60 words. Question number 1. What qualities of Miss Pushpa TS are evident from the speaker's address? Miss Pushpa TS is a sweet lady with an all-time smile on her face. Okay, she smiles even without a reason. Okay, it is a even spelling mistake. She belongs to a high family and is very popular among people. She is spirit. She never says no to things. She is always ready to anything. She has ambitions and prosperous. These are the qualities evident from the speaker's address. Okay, what was the Miss Pushpa TS popular with? Question number 2. Answer, Miss Pushpa is popular with men and women. As she is always smiling and full of spirit, everyone likes her. She never says no to anyone for anything. Okay. Question number 3. What does the speaker mention about Miss Pushpa doing in the end? Okay. The speaker is addressing the audience. He tells the people that the party arranged to wish for a happy journey to Miss Pushpa, who is leaving for improve her prospect. Prospect means your thinking, okay, your thoughts. Question number 4. In what ways does Miss Pushpa show her good spirit? Miss Pushpa is a lady with certain distinctive traits. She is full of spirits. Whenever the poet asks her to do anything, she readily replies, just only I will do it. She never says no to anything. Okay. Question number 5. What inspires laughter in the poem? The poet has been created as a humorous poem. These are moments of laughter at some place. He says that Miss Pushpa is sweet, not only externally but internally too. So these are two keywords here. She is very happy, she is very sweet, not only externally but also internally. It is also here. Okay, it is a conjunction. We have only seen, okay, not only but also. Okay, but also it is a conjunction, and we have already studied about a conjunction. So here the poet used a conjunction. Okay, she smiles and smiles without any reason. Okay, now in answer in about in 75 words. What features of Babu English? Babu English means Indianized English are suggested in the poem. Give illustrations. Babu English is the term used for language which an educated Indian speaks or writes. It is the type of English which doesn't follow the strict rule of the original English. Okay, it does not follow the strict rule of the original English. He gives stress on the expression of meaning. Okay, he uh, he gives a stress on the expression of meaning. It is a mixed English called Indianized version of English. It is of, this is of English, now known as GIE. GIE means General Indian English. It uses the Indian terminology also. In the poem we see there is no set pattern. It is written in free verse without any rhyme and rhythm. Okay, it is a formal talk manner, still it conveys its meaning very clearly. Okay, so here the poet is focusing on the English which he used, mainly on focusing uh, that it conveys the meaning very clearly, not on syntax or rules of English. Okay, so that's why he modifies the original English to the Babu English. Okay, because if you are speaking in English, you have to convey your meaning clearly. Okay, without following without following your or English rules. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So next one is give the central idea of this poem. The central idea of the poem is to highlight the character of Miss Pushpa T.S. She is leaving for abroad. She is going there to improve her prospect. Okay, improve her prospect. Prospect means your thinking, your thoughts. She is a very charming lady with all smiling face. She smiles even without reason. Okay, she smiles without even reason. She smiles for she feels it. She is very popular among people and is always ready to do anything for everyone. She never says no to anyone. She is full of spirit. The poet appreciates her spirit, readiness, and pleasing smile. The main theme is to highlight the or her qualities. Okay. Uh, so this is the end of question and answers. Now the home assignments. What is home assignment for you? Write down the glossary words in your notebooks. Okay, with meanings. And next one is read the passage carefully and answer the following questions accordingly. Okay, so I want you to read this passage very carefully and answer these questions. Answer these questions based on the passage. Okay, based on the passage only. So, so it has 5 questions. Okay, so do it properly.